Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Today we have for you the CREEPER-205 shoes in black glitter vinyl by Demonia. You can also buy these direct from Demonia Cult if you're in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. So a lot of these smaller shoe styles come with this extra little dust bag and the individual little shoe dust bags. Alright, let's take a look at the first one here. And right away you can see those bat wings and you can see the little bits of glitter that are sparkling. So this is a flat creeper style of shoe and it's got the round laces for doing them up. There is a little bit of a lift on the sole there at the end. And these are 3 inches tall. So it's only probably about just under an inch lift there at the back. So the main feature of this shoe is these detachable bat wings. They have the white embroidery detail there as well as the black glitter vinyl. So they're both detachable where the laces are. And then you can just take them off and wear them like normal creepers. And we've got 3 D-rings for the laces, for the round laces of this style. We also have the interwoven piping detail at the toe end of the shoe. And let us know in the comments what you think of this style. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want us to make more of these unboxing videos. See, it's got a cute little bat print inside as well where the Demonia logo is. So now I'm just going to grab the other shoe and then we can have a look at them both together. So this model comes in women's USA sizes from 6 to 11, which also converts to European 36 to 41. Drop a comment below to let us know what you think. Tell us what shoe model you want to see unboxed next time and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. Personally, I just keep the bat wings on myself and wear them like that because why not? Now, Demonia creepers are heavier than TUK creepers, but they're not too bad. These have also got the Demonia logo on the bottom of the sole. Well, that's just about all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching.